Make sure that you're sitting back so that your back is supported by the back of the chair, and then ground the soles of your feet flat on the earth. So your feet is connected to Mother Earth, to Shakmakwe. And then turn your palms, just rest your palms on your thighs, palms facing up. So you open up your heart as your palms face up to Father Sky, so that you are open, we are open to receive the gifts and the blessings and the teachings. And then greet your breath. And as you greet your breath, I invite you to notice every in-breath and every out-breath. Begin to feel how your breath moves in through your nostrils, and then how your breath leaves your body. And now I invite you to soften your shoulders and let it fall. In pure awareness, soften it, let it fall. And then soften your belly. In fact, give your entire being permission to soften into the chair. And accept the support that the chair is offering your body. Become aware of the rise and fall of your belly and your abdomen and your chest as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And let your thoughts just gently float in the background. And when your thoughts wander, don't worry too much about it. That's what thoughts do. The mind do. Mind likes to wander. But always when you feel, oh, my mind is going somewhere else, don't react. Just gently escort your mind back with your breath and say, come back here. Come here. Let's be together. Mind, body, spirit, soul. So one way that we anchor ourselves in mindfulness meditation is with the breath. Noticing every in-breath, noticing every out-breath. And the other great vehicle is a body scan. So I invite you now, as we going to honor every part of our being, I invite you to take all your attention and all your awareness to the soles of your feet. Feel the top of your feet, and then feel all your toes. And then we say, ah, thank you, feet, for always being there, taking me wherever I need to go, helping me to ground myself to Mother Earth. And then bring your awareness now to your legs, and then feel your knees, feel your thighs. Become aware of the softness of your belly, and then feel your lower back and your lower spine. Become aware of the parts of your body rooted and connected to the chair. And we look at those body parts deeply and we say, ah, thank you, my legs, my knees, my thighs, my belly, and all the internal organs. Thank you, my back, my spine, always here doing your work day in and day out. Breathing in and breathing out, riding the waves of our breath, like the waves of the ocean, coming in and going out, coming in and going out. And now I invite you to bring your awareness to your chest and your back. Feel your shoulders, and then sweep all the way down your arms. Feel your hands, and become aware of all your fingers, and the front and the back of the neck. Make those body parts now the center stage of your own awareness. As you look at those body parts deeply, breathing in and breathing out. And we thank our arms, hands and fingers for always being there, for we can write, work, we can drive, we can cook, we can hold, we can love, we can clean ourselves. We say, thank you, Chimikwich, those body parts, my chest, my heart, my lungs, all working away, day in and day out. And we continue to focus on the breath, and this time I invite you to bring your awareness to the back of your head, the crown of your head, the sides of your head, and the gentleness of those body parts. I want you to notice the softness of the skin on your face. And then we're going to acknowledge our 7 doorways. So our first 2 doorways is our ears. We can hear, and we give gratitude for that. Our 3rd and 4th doorway, our eyes, we can see, and we give gratitude for that. Our 5th and 6th doorway, our nostrils, we can breathe in that life force every day, fresh air, oxygen that keep us alive, and we give gratitude, and we can smell. And our 7th doorway, our mouth, for we give gratitude because we can talk, teach, sing, taste, eat, swallow, kiss, love, support. We give gratitude for that doorway. We go back to the breath, and as we breathe in and breathe out, I now invite you to go through your heart center, deep within yourself, into your internal world, where vastness and love and light resides. And there, I invite you to connect with your true teacher, your inner healer, your higher self, your essence, the core of who you are, and the greatest part of your own wisdom. And with that wisdom and with that energy, I invite you, be open to receive the gifts, the blessings, and the teachings as you take that last few breaths. Just being present in the presence, in your presence, in your awareness to this miraculous embodiment. So now slowly and gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, just bringing that new life into them. And then as you slowly open your eyes, just move your head all the way over to the left. You open your eyes as you gently move your head all the way over to the right, and then slowly and gently back to center. And then I invite you to come back into the circle, to be present, so we can continue to eat and drink of wisdom and knowledge. And this gift of being present to ourselves is always available to us. It takes a few minutes for us to be able to ground ourselves back in the here and now and to reacquaint ourselves with our embodiment. A beautiful gift. As a psychotherapist, healer, I started sitting 10 minutes every time somebody come into a session, and it made a huge difference because I can regulate my own nervous system and I can regulate the other person's nervous system. And for us to remember, the only way we can regulate our nervous systems is through others' nervous systems. The only way our children can regulate their nervous system is through our nervous system. The only way a baby can regulate the baby's nervous system is through the parent's nervous system. So if we are all, wow, everyone else around us like that, no matter what happens, if we stay calm, we are right now, everything begins to settle down. So thank you, everyone.